So we have Devashri with us. Hi Devashri.
Hi.
So tell me, since when do you follow Harry Potter?
I don't even remember, I think 4th standard or something.
Okay.
I just picked up my third book. I picked up the third book first because it was my brother. And then I just started reading and then I went on to say first and second book.
Okay. So tell me, what do you like about Harry Potter?
Everything. It's like a part of our world now. Like every day, without thinking of Harry Potter, you can't have a day.
Okay. Fine. And if given a chance to be in one of the houses, which house would it be?
Okay, we had Pottermore, so I was sort of in Hufflepuff, but I prefer Gryffindor, so either of the two is fine.
Okay, fine. So listen, here we are going to do something. I'm going to ask you some questions, and I hope you'll be able to answer them. Yeah. So here we go. Who was the first person to escape from Azkaban? A. Barty Crouch Jr., B. Sirius Black, and C. Hagrid.
Barty Crouch Jr.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Which of the following never destroyed a Horcrux? A. Ginny, B. Albus Dumbledore, C. Neville, D. Crabbe.
Ginny.
Yeah, that's right. The next question: which of the following is not an animagus in any of the following characters? A. Rat, B. Beetle, C. Snake.
Snake.
That is correct. And the next question: which of the following survives through the end of the series? A. Colin Creevey, B. Aberforth Dumbledore, C. Nymphadora or Tonks.
Aberforth Dumbledore.
Yes, you are right. And okay, the last question, so be extremely careful. When Fred and George decided to cause mayhem in the school, who helped them? A. Jordan, B. Ron, C. Umbridge, and D. Peeves.
Peeves.
Yes, you are right. So, you know all the answers. How is that even possible?
I've read the book countless number of times.
So you seem to be a really big Harry Potter fan.
You have no idea. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what do you think a life without Harry Potter would be?
I don't know. You're as big a Harry Potter fan as I am, so you can probably imagine. It would just be weird. Like once I started reading Harry Potter, I've always been reading it. Like khatam hua, so once more you start with the series. Like I always have all the ebooks in my cell and everything. So it's like, yeah, it would be very different and probably not something that I can imagine. What about you?
Well, I don't know. I would like to thank J.K. Rowling for my childhood.
Seriously.
Because the way it is, I mean, I really have grown up reading Harry Potter.
Yeah, and there are so many things, like Harry Potter is not just a child's novel. You can read it. Like I have an uncle who's right now 50 or something.
Yes.
Even he reads it because it gives you a lot of other stuff
And
as well.
the way J.K. Rowling has imagined things, she created Hogwarts, the spells, witches, wizards. I mean, it is just awesome. Awesome is the word.
Who's your favorite character?
My favorite character would be Harry, obviously. But otherwise, I would say Hermione. Because first of all, she's a great friend. She's smart. She's mature. She knows exactly what she has to do, and obviously even Ron is there.
Like a role model.
Yeah, she is like a role model. Yeah. So I really, if I was a witch, I wish I was Hermione. Okay, so Devashri, since you've been with us and you are a great Harry Potter fan, no doubt about that. We have a small gift for you. Okay, so this is for you. Thank you so much.
This is really nice. Thanks a lot. And this is a good thing you're doing, like celebrating Harry Potter.
Anything for Harry Potter. Happy birthday,
Happy
Harry
birthday,
Potter.
Harry. And J.K. Rowling.
Yeah, J.K. Rowling.